now, isn't it?
Yeah, that's always on. As soon as it detects the arc, it will fucking kick in.
Yeah, boy.
How do you feel, mate?
I haven't done this in about 25 years, to be honest with you. Probably about 20.
Yeah, boy. You could take longer, like arc through it, just let the fucking rod do the work.
Hey?
You can like, you don't have to like wash it like that. You can just like. Going longer, deeper into it, and then taking like, you know, long swipes, and then getting it close, and then you clean it up at the end.
That's barely on there, bro.
Yeah, pretty much, bro. There's a few spots that I can see, yeah, yeah, it's good, dude. Let's go to the other side.
Oh, sorry, man. I just touched it up a bit. Trying to get the fucking your helmet to stay on my brow, bro.
Because you got a big head, bro.
There we go. Yeah, that hurts fucking horrible, bro.
Yeah. Gonna work at a height.
Oh, fucking 24 fucking years tight. Oh, that's hard.